Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We continue to see this pullback now in the wave 4. I think in the previous video we were just about to enter this orange support area. Again, in this video I just would like to show you the shorter time frame wave count because nothing changed looking at the bigger picture. Check out my first video from today and from yesterday if you want to see the bigger picture, but I'm sure we are going to cover that if price does some sort of decent movement. At the moment, the idea is still that this could be either a 5-wave move to the upside. That's currently the expectation. So at the moment, this white wave count is in control. That wave 2 bottomed here on the 15th of June, and that we're now readying in a third wave, at least as long as support is holding at 1819, 1820. This idea is, basically what is being followed primarily. With the question mark here, we've got a B wave top. That's obviously because we had 3 waves up. It is now a big decision moment here, big decision time here. It would be good to get a healthy wave 4 now, because if it's not very healthy, it could also count as an extension of the third wave. The problem that we have with that is if the third wave gets too long without a healthy 4th wave pullback, it is often less reliable and would rather confirm a B wave. I know it's a bit strange to say that if the third wave gets longer and longer and longer, it's a bit strange to say that this could actually eventually become bearish, but it just indicates, if you think about it, it makes sense because it indicates it's a not sustainable rally. It rallies too much without any healthy pullbacks, which can be used to add positions, or people take some profits, and it shows that it can hold. If you see those rallies without any deeper pullbacks, it's sometimes not sustainable. But anyway, it seems that we are getting this pullback. I already shared it on Telegram and Discord earlier today that I would like to see this subwave count with an A wave down, a B wave maybe still in the making, but definitely a deeper wave 4, ideally to 1846, okay, maybe even 1819. Ideally not below that, even though I will not rule out that it goes a little bit below that. In this particular scenario here, the idea is that this could also be a diagonal pattern which is unfolding. So in diagonals, precision is much more difficult and it can get a bit of a deeper pullback, but still I'd like it to hold 1819 or at the very least this white trend line. Below the trend line, things may turn bearish and it would put more emphasis on the idea that this is a B wave top. So looking at the wave structure, let's go to the 30-minute chart. The idea really is that we could be in this 4th wave and this is unfolding as an ABC. Again, the A wave could be complete as a leading diagonal. The B wave could be complete, would be very weak though, or the B wave is still unfolding as a little bit of a higher B wave. It is very weak at the moment, but obviously, a B wave would typically unfold as a 3-wave move, so very much possible that it's doing this, going a little bit higher before we come down. That's, I think, looking at how this has developed throughout the day. I think the idea of a deeper C wave in the end is what I'm going with. But then again, bear in mind, this is really just a micro count. Ultimately, what is important is to watch for a reaction at some of these fib levels. Again, the 38.2 retracement is typically the ideal target. Let's see if it reacts to that. If not, then 1819 is certainly likely. And if that breaks, it wouldn't necessarily be bearish. I would then pay attention to the trend line, but that would be quite a deep wave form, and that would already, a break below 1819 would already emphasize a little bit more this yellow wave count with a B wave top, which could then result in another C wave rally. But for now, until I see any evidence for that, for this bearish count, I go with the assumption that wave 2 bottomed here. It's a very aggressive move up. It's a little bit more clearly visible on the Bitcoin chart. Ethereum is a bit weaker. So what could be is that this wave 4 plays out tomorrow, maybe even Saturday. We will see, because on a weekend we often get a wave 4. I mean, nothing stopping it going into Saturday, maybe even Sunday. Let's see. Hopefully not, because it will be boring then. But it's absolutely possible. And we had quite a bit of a rally. So to get a little bit of a consolidation for a few days is nothing unlikely. Besides that, not much happened really since earlier today. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.